come back at 6, wake me and your child.
Hi babes. Today is January 29th, right? Today is Sunday, and I'm getting ready to go to church. I'm really excited for today. My church is, rather, I got invited, so yeah. Anyways, my church is for 11 a.m. This is to 9. I want to get ready because it's going to take me like 1 hour to get there. Yeah, so I'm going to Hillsong today. I got invited to Hillsong, and yeah, that's it. I've been trying to get ready all day, and I'm also trying to film a TikTok. If the TikTok is successful, you guys must have seen it by now. If it's not successful, that means you guys have not seen it and I never uploaded it. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Everywhere is kind of a mess because I've also been trying to pick out an outfit. I finally found what I was going to wear, so I just want to do my makeup, get ready, and I'll see you guys when I am done. Welcome to the vlog, guys. See, Michael is this close to removing my head because we're extremely late and I'm the one who is delaying right now. But anyways, this is my look. Guys, I colored this hair by myself. Are you not proud of me? Who can remember when I was struggling in Lagos? I was struggling. See, now your girl is a pro, and I also laid this frontal by myself. I'm not going to show you what it looks like very well because I laid rubbish. But I'm still going to get that one very soon. Don't worry, just give me time. But look at these coils. I did this myself. Like, I'm so happy compared to the rubbish I was doing that time when I was in Lagos. But anyways, we need to start going because, like I said before, this man will soon remove my head from my body because he has been telling me to come out since. But yeah, I just finished. This is what I'm putting on. Quick OOTD. I see everywhere is a mess. Just ignore because whenever I rush, everywhere gets messy. You can't see my face, yeah. But then again, this is from Zara. I don't know what's called this, but I really like this design here. Okay, and I got my white pants from ASOS. Carry my bag, I have my jewelries on, and that's it. Yeah. Hi babe, see, ignore this cap. Okay, I went to the gym, I just got back, and I didn't want people to see my cornrows. I didn't wear wig, as you can see, so just forget that. Anyways, today is Monday. Happy New Week, guys. Let me give you gist. I'm about to cook, and I'm not about to cook for myself or for my husband. Well, he will eat. I'm about to cook for my classmates. Dinners on. Moving on. Today we have, like, I don't know if I should call it cultural day, but today in our school we have like exchange of food. Like, you bring your own food from your own country, you bring your own food from your own country and all that, you get. Then you just like exchange food. People will try out your food and all the stuff. In Nigeria, when we used to do this thing, we used to call it cultural day. The only difference is that they're not expecting you to wear like your traditional attire to come to school or anything like that. Wear whatever you want to wear, but cook something from your country. That's it. So I'm about to make jollof rice and chicken because apparently that's the only thing they know in my class. I was like, let me make swallow for you guys and make one nice soup. Maybe initially I wanted to make poundo yam and egusi soup because, like, why not? And I want them to try it out, but they were like, it's only jollof rice they know, and it's only jollof rice they've heard so much about in Nigeria, so let them try our famous jollof rice. You get? So that's what I'm about to make this morning. I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook, but I know my jollof rice used to bang. Ask anybody that's it's my jollof rice. So that's what I'm about to make this morning. My legs are paining me. I did legs today at the gym, so my legs are paining me, like I am in pains, but I should be fine. For some reason, when I come back from the gym, I always feel, I don't feel tired. I feel like I can do so many things. And I just came back and I haven't even like sat down or anything. And I also want to film a TikTok for that. It should be up before this vlog, Sha. It should, I know. I've been trying to grow my TikTok and I think I'm doing really good in that space. Like I really do like TikTok, like the TikTok space. I just like it. Like it's just a different vibe from IG and Reels. I don't really like Instagram Reels anymore, honestly speaking. Anyway, let me not digress. Let me just start, you know, start my day.
Canadian.
I can't find my.
Where are you dancing?
Loving it.
Nam, do you like it?
Yeah.
I have really, when I mean really, I mean I have really slide you guys. Like I have really slide you guys. Guys, I haven't been vlogging at all. Do you guys know the dates? If I tell you today's date, you guys will be so mad at me. This is February 10th, and the last time I said hi to this vlog was January 30th. That was the last time. I think that was the time I was cooking for my classmates. So from January 30th all the way to February 10th, I have not picked up this camera to vlog. Guys, this I don't even know how I'm going to handle this term or this year. I have been so busy. Like my life lately, like since the beginning of this new year, I have been so busy. Do you know the time? Do you know the time? Let me show you guys the time. This is 11:18, and I just finished filming a sit down video. Guys, I'm about to take off my makeup. Do you know what it means to film a video at night? This is my new life. This is my new life. Trying to see if you guys can see my eye makeup. I did my eye makeup by myself, obviously, and I love it. Like, it looked so good. This camera keeps going down. I don't know what to do with this camera. Anyways, as I was saying, who films by this time? That's to show you that throughout the whole day, like morning, afternoon, it means that I don't have time for YouTube. Like, that's the way it's looking like. Because why will I be filming by this time? Because mornings, afternoons, no time at all. I'm so busy with so many other things. I'm so busy with many other things in my life, and I knew this was going to happen. I knew that this year was going to be like this in terms of schoolwork, and work, business, and every other thing. I knew that this year was going to be hectic for me. I just knew it. But I guess this is going to be my new filming time, like Friday night. And the funniest thing is that I have to wake up very early tomorrow. I have to wake up very, very early tomorrow, and this is 11 and I haven't slept. I have to wake up very early tomorrow. I have so many things to do tomorrow, and I also have to edit this video tomorrow because it must go up on Sunday. It is compulsory. No matter how busy I get, I must have a video for Sunday. The day I don't have a video for Sunday, just know that Ihoma was so busy. Like, she was so busy that she couldn't get a video for Sunday. Like, I'm busy right now, but yet I was still able to, you know, film by 11. But the day you don't see any video on Sunday, just know that no. That means that week was really crazy for her. And I feel like it's going to get to that point. It's already getting to that point for me to be filming at night. But yeah, that's the update. You guys, the video should be out by now, so go check it out. I really enjoyed filming this video. Like, I really enjoyed filming it a lot. My room is in a mess and I'm not going to touch it till tomorrow morning. I cannot come and die. I am tired as fuck. Like, I am so weak and I'm so hungry, and I have to look for something to eat by this time. But it's not going to be something heavy. Probably just make oats. Probably just eat oats, then wake up early and go out. Yeah, so, and then again, my mom is coming. I'm so happy. I love it when my mom is around. My mom is coming on Sunday. Mom is coming on Sunday, and oops, guys, I've put oil. I put oil on this thing. I waited for it to melt, and at the end of the day, it's still very difficult for me to bring it on. But I think it's easy. It's getting easy because I put oil before. Okay. Oh my god. That felt so good. That felt so good. God bless wigs. God bless wigs. Now I look bald. I look like I don't have any hair on my head. What is this? This is so funny. So funny. Anyways, as I was saying, see, you people take me as I am. My mom is coming on Sunday. I love it when my mom comes. Do you know why? I love my mom. Of course I love my mom, but the major reason is because she always comes with food. Is it that she comes with food or she cooks? Like, when I don't used to force her, I don't used to bully her for you guys to be saying, why is your mom? I don't force my mom, I don't bully her. When she comes, it's just the way she is. She loves to cook, so whenever she's around, she just wants to cook. You get, like, she just wants to make sure that everybody is, you know, well fed. And since yesterday, she has been asking me, like, what should I buy? What should I buy? I gave her a list though. Trust me, I don't have that time. See the time I'm filming now, I think I will not have time to be cooking. And we are two in this house, we are not one. Me, I can go all day without eating, but you see the other person that is living in this house with me, that one cannot do it though. So I'm even happy. She should even come. She's asking me now, what should she put? What should she get? If you see the list I gave her, there's nothing I didn't give her. I even said buy suya mix, pepper soup mix, nothing. I put everything there. Let her just buy it. Let us shall have it in this house. And also, she's coming on Sunday after church, and yeah, I can't wait to see her, guys. What else? I fell sick this week, like really sick, to the point I started showing on my lips. Guys, you know when you're sick and you start having those things coming out, I don't know what they call, like wound. That was when I knew that my body could not handle it anymore, because I overworked myself, or I have been, or if this thing does not focus, I will throw this camera away. I'm not even in the mood. I want to go and sleep. As I was saying, I have been overworking myself. Like, I have been really overworking myself. Since this new year, I've been overworking myself. I just recovered. I had this crazy sore throat, cold, catarrh. I was very sick, sure. Maybe that's one of the reasons why I didn't really have that time to vlog. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I pick this camera again. Ooh, hi babes, good afternoon. Today is, why is this thing, wait, why can't I see well? Yeah, hi, today is February 14th. It is Valentine's Day, and luckily for me, we don't have classes today. I don't know how God did it, but God did it because I really wanted to not go to class today. Okay, so what else? Yeah, today's Tuesday. I already said that. Guys, can you hear that noise? It is one annoying game like this. God, that game annoys me, annoys the living hell out of me. Yeah, so on my way out, I want to go have lunch. Then from lunch, I think we are going to like London Eye or something. I don't know the name of that place, but something is in my eyes, guys, and I'm trying to fix it. Let me show you my outfit because I want to start going. We are late actually. Ooh, it's too bright here. So this is my outfit. This dress I got from Skims, and this has got to be my favorite purchase from Skims. I love this dress so much, and yeah, like it just hugs your body and it's so comfortable, and it's long and it's black again. Like it just makes so much sense. This is what the back looks like, and it's so pretty. I want to wear boots. I haven't worn my boots yet, so I want to wear boots with this, like this really long boots. Wait, I'm coming back. Yeah, so these are my boots. I'm gonna put them on now. But also I got flowers, guys. I love flowers so much. I got roses. It's so cute. Just look at how cute they are, and with the gold petals in the middle. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. I got this amongst other things, but this is the one that I really love because I love flowers. And it's funny because I was never a flower person, so all of a sudden my love for flower, let me tell you, my love for flower grew. My love for flower grew when I started receiving them like constantly. I now started falling in love with flowers, and guys, it smells so good, like so good. But yeah, happy Valentine's Day, guys. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's. We are going to have lunch like I mentioned earlier on, and I think from there we'll just go see London. It's funny because we have been in London since September, and if I tell you that we haven't done like tourist things, will you believe? So these are my boots. This is what it looks like. Love it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Now I listen to that.